Hey everyone, how are you all? In this video, we'll guide on a journey to transform your entryway into a rustic haven that's both functional and stunning. Join us as we explore our rustic decor ideas that will elevate your entryway's appeal. From choosing the right natural materials to create a cozy foundation to incorporating vintage-inspired furniture pieces, we have got you covered. Start with a rustic color palette, which typically includes warm earthy tones such as browns, beige, and muted greens. Option for natural materials like wood and stone. Consider reclaimed wood for furniture and accent to add authenticity. Select rustic style furniture pieces like a weathered wooden console table, a bench with a distressed finish, or a vintage chest. If space allows, a wooden coat rack or hooks can be both functional and decorative. Hang a large distressed or reclaimed wood framed mirror on the wall. It not only adds rustic charm but also makes the space feel larger. If possible, go for hardwood or stone flooring. Area rugs with rustic patterns like plaid or southwestern designs can soften the space. Install warm ambient lighting. Rustic style light fixtures with metal or wrought iron accents are a great choice. Consider adding candles or lanterns for a cozy touch. Use rustic style storage solutions like wicker baskets or wooden crates to keep shoes, scarves, and other accessories organized. Bring in natural elements like potted plants, dried flowers in a vase, or a small rustic style terrarium. Incorporate personal touches that reflect your style, like family photos in wooden frames or handmade crafts. Rustic decor is often characterized by its simplicity. Avoid clutter and focus on a few well-chosen elements that highlight the rustic aesthetic. Whether you are a fan of farmhouse flair, mountain lodge charm, or rustic minimalism, we will tailor our decorating ideas to suit your unique taste. The rustic style celebrates imperfections and the beauty of natural materials, and we will show you how to embrace it. Change out decor elements seasonally to keep your entryway fresh. For fall, consider pumpkins and autumn wreaths. For winter, add evergreen branches and pine cones. The rustic style celebrates imperfections and the beauty of natural materials. So don't be afraid to embrace a slightly weathered or worn appearance in your decor choices. With these ideas, your entryway can exude rustic charm and make a memorable first impression on visitors. So if you are ready to create an entryway that leaves a lasting impression on your guest, hit that play button and let's dive into our rustic style entryway decorating ideas together. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more rustic decor inspiration.